Persib Bandung menggelar latihan sebagai persiapan menjelang laga uji coba kontra Western Sydney Wanderers FC di lapangan pendamping Stadion Gelora Bandung Lautan Api, Kota Bandung. Selain untuk mematangkan pola permainan dan strategi, laga uji coba tersebut sengaja digelar sebagai persiapan Persib menghadapi Super League 2025-2026, 8 Agustus 2025 mendatang. Kurang dari 2 pekan menjelang kick-off Superliga 2025-2026, Persib menggelar latihan intensif lapangan pendamping Stadion Gelora Bandung Lautan Api, Kota Bandung. Selain dihadiri 9 pemain asing barunya, pertandingan ini akan menandai debut 2 rekrutan anyar di lini belakang, yaitu Julio Cesar dari Brasil dan Frans Putros dari Irak. Latihan yang dipimpin pelatih Bojan Hodak tersebut juga tidak dihadiri oleh Roby Darwis dan Kakang Rudianto yang mendapatkan dispensasi libur latihan usai membela timnas U23 di ASEAN U23 Mandiri Cup 2025. Bojan Hodak meminta anak asuhnya untuk melakukan pematangan taktik dan strategi. Tidak hanya itu, latihan tersebut juga dijadikan Persib sebagai latihan sesi terakhir menjelang laga uji coba kontra Western Sydney Wanderers FC yang merupakan juara Liga Champions Asia 2014. Selain untuk mematangkan pola permainan dan strategi, laga uji coba tersebut sengaja digelar sebagai persiapan Persib dalam menghadapi Super League 2025-2026, 8 Agustus 2025 mendatang. Bojan Hodak mengaku di musim ini, Persib perlu memainkan pertandingan yang sulit karena tahun ini timnya akan kembali bermain di ACL 2. Untuk itu, dengan laga uji coba kontra Western Sydney Wanderers FC, tentu cukup bagus karena ini bisa menunjukkan sebagus apa timnya, terutama dalam membangun kekompakan, terlebih banyak dihuni pemain baru.
Because this year we will play Champions League 2. Sydney is one of top 4 teams in Australian League, team that few years ago they won Asian Champions League, and for us this will be good show to see how good are we or how much more we need to work. So result in this case is not so important, but at least it will show us with so many new players what we can do this year.
We have many new players, especially foreign, like I said before in another interview. But this is a good match. Like the coach said, it's top 4 team in the Australian League. We are facing a strong team. We are sharing information now with Coach Noel. But the most important is not result, is how the team can play, and especially because we have our first match in 10 days, and in 14 days we have a Champions League 2 playoff. So I hope we can play good. We can show to everyone, especially new players, we are good and we can play good in our league.
Sementara itu, Nahwil RRT, asisten pelatih Western Sydney Wanderers FC, menilai mendapat kesempatan besar menjalani uji coba dengan tim besar, yang merupakan memiliki sejarah panjang di sepak bola Asia dan keistimewaan bertanding melawan juara Indonesia yang sedang bersiap menghadapi Liga pekan depan dan Liga Champions Asia.
So obviously, first and foremost, thank you for having us and inviting us to come here. Massive opportunity for our club to play against a club with a rich history in Indonesian football, and obviously a privilege to play against the Indonesian champions who are obviously preparing for the league starting next week and going to the Champions League too as well. So from our perspective, we're at different stages. We're at a different stage to what Persib are. We just started our pre-season and we're into waiting for our opponent. Our opponent got announced for the next game, for the cup game last night. So we're looking forward to playing a strong match on Saturday, which will allow us to prepare for our upcoming cup games of the Australian Cup.
Yeah, so we've already seen a bit of video on Persib, and the last game against the Thailand team, the crowd looked quite large. I think it's going to be even bigger than that. So looking forward to a great atmosphere. We had our first training session today out here, and the balls they use, they moved quite a bit. So I'm not sure take it easy with the shots. It does move quite a bit, but no, we're very excited to be here. similar to what Naz said, thank you to Percy, thank you to Robbie for organising this all. It's a privilege to be here, to play in such a great club, and so early in our pre-season, I think for our team as well to travel together to play a very strong opponent. It'll be great for us to prepare for the cup coming up and also the season.
Jadi menurutnya dari sudut pandangnya, timnya berada di tahapan yang berbeda karena baru memulai pramusim dan masih menunggu siapa lawan berikutnya. Jadi ia cukup menantikan pertandingan yang kuat di hari Sabtu nanti untuk membantu timnya mempersiapkan turnamen domestik di depan.